Now it's time to change the capacitor. So here is the capacitor for the fan. How to connect the capacitor to the fan? When we have a coil of 3 wires, we have 3 wires for the coil right here. This is one of the wires, this is another one, and the black end here, there's a black here connected to the blue right here, is another wire from the coil of the fan. So how do we connect that? So this is the power cable. You can see the power cable here, the power cable. So the way to connect is such that the neutral from the power cable is connected together with the blue colored wire of the fan, which is one end of the coil. So we connect that permanently together. Then we bring in the capacitor and connect the black wire of the capacitor to the yellow wire here. Connect it to the yellow wire firmly, 2 of them alone staying together. Then the other 2 wires are connected to the third wire of the coil is connected to the red wire from the capacitor together with the life of the power cable. So we have the life of the power cable. This is the brown wire here. You can see the brown wire. This is life from the power cable, and this is one end of the coil, which is the starting. So we connect that to the capacitor together with the life of the supply, that is from the power cord. The 3 of them will be connected together. So the 3 of them have been connected together. So we want to do a small check to be sure. Okay, so now we connect them. Fine, yeah, it's connected correctly. They have been connected correctly. So the next thing is to test.